Well, I should be able to tell you I've made it to paradise, but I don't think I can. Monday, November 25th. It actually means we're exactly 1 month from Christmas. Christmas is bound to feel a little bit different this year. It barely snows in the UK, especially this side of the new year. But one thing for sure, it will not be snowing out here. Not exactly the brightest, sunniest day we've had out here in Malaysia. I just don't recommend coming to Borneo in November. Currently heading on my way to the jetty port. I'm going to be heading across the channel to Sapi Island this afternoon. I was supposed to visit Sapi Island and a number of other islands in an island hopping excursion on Saturday, but unfortunately due to the weather, that was cancelled. And with the likelihood of it raining again this afternoon, the last thing I wanted to do was spend, what, 300 ringgit on a tour. This is exactly what oh my god. This is exactly what I'm talking about. It is raining again. Every single day I've been so far here in Borneo, it has rained. Switched over to the GoPro. I've already had one camera casualty on my travels. I don't need another one. Almost just had a casualty of my own. Anyhow, I'm gonna head to the boat jetty. Fingers crossed they'll let me on. Obviously weather dependent. I'm not even too sure they'll be running the trip, so we'll have to see. Got my ticket, as you can see, and it is raining hard. I'm gonna put the camera away. Ready? Is the boat definitely happening?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Your ticket?
Ah, yes. They had a bit of a delay. This weather is not great. Neither is that rubbish. Disgusting. Here we go, this is our boat. I don't know why I'm doing this. Boat ride alone pretty much sums up my whole week in Borneo. Oh, crazy. Well, I should be able to tell you I've made it to paradise, but I don't think I can. What? I can't believe it. I've made it to Malaysian paradise and a tropical storm has ruined it. It really is lovely and warm, but yeah, this isn't what I paid for. Well, it is, but not the experience I paid for. The rain's definitely calmed down. While I was on the boat, it was literally coming in sideways. Doesn't matter where you sat, everyone was absolutely soaking wet. But here we are, this is Mamutik Island. I wanted to go to Sapi Island, but apparently they weren't running tours there today due to the weather. I've probably been upselled or something, I don't know. But look at this. This is, yeah, very, very nice. I haven't seen a beach as nice as this since the Philippines. So to be here is really, really nice. I'm really hoping the rain will stop. I've brought my drone as well, so I can take that in the air a little bit later on, but right now it's not looking promising, is it? You can see mainland all the way over there in the distance. This is Mamutik Island. I think I'm saying that right, Mamutik Island. And well, first impressions is very nice. Half an hour later, not a lot has changed. Oh, there's mosquitoes absolutely everywhere, but yeah, here we are. We're still raining, it's still storming. Alright, I've signed a waiver to say I'm a confident swimmer and don't need a life jacket. It is starting to clear up the weather as well, which is good. But here we are. Can you see that? I don't want to get too close to him. I don't want him to feel threatened. I have been charged by a dragon a few years ago in Mexico. I don't know if it's the same type, but to be honest, I don't even want to put myself at risk. But here we are, we're here. We are in the sea. A little bit nervous. There's a load of signs at the entrance saying be careful of jellyfish. So yeah, that's interesting. I'm going to keep my eye out. This is really not good. The tide's taken me Crocs. Hang about. A good job I realised. Expensive mistake. If you're wondering how much this has cost me, of course, yesterday I was going to be going on a tour which would have cost me 280 ringgit, which is, for cash, £50.
That's awesome.
Coming to just this island, however, has only cost me 60 ringgit, which is about £12. Of course, that includes the fare to get here, and then the port arrival fee as well, which is 25 ringgit. So to be here for, well, best part 10 quid is not too bad, and of course I've saved a lot of money on what I would have done yesterday. Yesterday's tour would have got me a second island and lunch as well, but I don't think some food and one extra island is worth £40. But look, by the looks of it, the sun is coming out to play. You know what that means. Drone is safely back on the ground, having flown it over this amazing beach. It is much clearer now, as you can see. We've even got some sunshine in this direction. Over here, however, not the best. If it starts raining again, it's not the end of the world. I'm not going to be here for much longer, but I just wanted to quickly show you this. I thought this was quite cool. There's actually a bit of coral, albeit a dead bit of coral, stuck out of the sand. I thought that was really cool, of course, wanted to show you, but look, we've got this entire beach all to myself. I'm just not tempted to go swimming with the warnings of jellyfish. The very last thing I want to be doing is getting stung before I leave tomorrow. That, yeah, would not be ideal. Can you see that? Oh my God, don't come near me. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna move. He's turned in my direction. As I mentioned, Cancun 2022, I had a dragon literally run at me. And yeah, I'm not interested. I'm not trying to get bitten or stung.